Hello friends! Right now we're going to show you top 3 HD binoculars, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. 15 by 52 HD binoculars for adults, high-powered, with upgraded phone adapter. Large view binoculars with clear low-light vision. Lightweight waterproof binocular for birdwatching, travel, hunting, cruise. Brand: Gigapenguin. Special feature: clearer and sharper image, compact design, lightweight, long eye relief, precise and smooth focus control, rugged, shock-resistant design, clearer and sharper image, compact design, lightweight, long eye relief, precise and smooth focus control, rugged, shock-resistant design. Objective lens diameter, 52 millimeters. Magnification maximum, 15 times. 15x high-powered binoculars. Discover nature's smallest details. Elevate your viewing experience with these 15x high-powered binoculars designed for adults. Crafted for observing extremely long distances, these professional high-powered binoculars provide a razor-sharp view of the smallest details, even at longer ranges. Unlock the smallest secrets of nature and immerse yourself in crisp, razor-sharp visuals that traditional 12x magnification binoculars cannot match. 22mm large eyepiece binoculars, larger image, clearer details. Thanks to the expanded 22mm large eyepiece performance, you can enjoy exceptionally detailed insights into the natural world. These binoculars provide a wider field of view, 1.5 times larger than the image size of 16mm eyepieces, and 1.2 times that of 20mm eyepieces. Large eyepiece binoculars fully utilize the 15x magnification, delivering a larger image and ensuring clearer details.
Number 2. 20 by 52 binoculars for adults, high-powered HD large-view binoculars with low-light vision, professional binocular for birdwatching, hunting, travel, cruise, outdoor sports, gifts for women. Brand: Dessous. Special feature: high magnification, image stabilization. Objective lens diameter, 52 millimeters. Magnification maximum, 20x. 20x professional high-powered binoculars. Dessous outdoor binoculars feature a 20x magnification and 52mm large objective lens with a field of view of 168 feet / 1,000 yards, allowing you to focus on great detail at 1,000 yards, providing clear and bright images. The size of the 26mm eyepiece is more in line with the structure of the human eye, preventing eye fatigue after prolonged viewing. Clear and high-quality optics. Aspherical lens and multi-layer coating design provide superior image brightness and contrast, with BAK4 prism and FMC lens for improved transmittance to ensure clear images. Binoculars can be used in low light, but not in total darkness. Ergonomic non-slip design. Adult birding binoculars feature rubber-coated non-slip grips that can be used outdoors and are not easy to slip off your hand, even in harsh environments. Rubber coating can meet the basic waterproof conditions, but please do not use in heavy rain for a long time or soak in water. Easy focus binoculars. Adjusting the right eyepiece and the center focus wheel can be easily focused. Simple operation, and the center focus wheel is sensitive and non-slip. It can also be mounted on a tripod, not included in our product list, so it's handy when you watch something for a long time. Number 3. 12 by 56 high-power monocular telescope. Comes with smartphone adapter, tripod, travel bag, birdwatching, hunting, hiking, camping, gift, green. Brand: OXK Optics. Model name: 12 by 56. Optical tube length: 200 millimeters. Eyepiece lens description: prism. Objective lens diameter: 56 millimeters. Telescope mount description: fixed mount. Focus type: manual focus. Power source: no. Finder scope: reflex. 12x high-power wide-angle monocular. 12x magnification and 6.5 degrees wide field of view monocular, which provides a more comfortable and larger view, clearer details, adding up to incomparable watching experience. Perfect for hiking, camping,
birdwatching, wildlife, sports, concerts, travel, scenery watching. 25mm large eyepieces and 56mm large objective lens. 12 by 56 Monocular is equipped with larger eyepiece and objective lens than ordinary Monocular, which secures more light transmission and a brighter and larger field of view. Share the beauty of nature, wildlife, at the distance of as far 325 feet, 1,200 yards with your friends or relatives. Large BAK4 prism and premium FMC lens coating. High-powered Monocular features advanced fully multi-coating technology and large BAK4 prism lens to increase the amount of light transmission and reduce unnecessary light reflection, and provide clear, high-contrast, color-accurate images at the same time. Whether you wear glasses or not, this Monocular can provide the nice view during your outdoor adventures, and you won't be dizzy even after watching for a long time. High-quality smartphone holder and tripod. Monocular comes with high-quality smartphone holder and sturdy tripod, which can be adjusted to 2 different angles and 3 kinds of length as you like. Professional design, easy to install, ensuring clearer, brighter, and shakeless images. Compatible with all kinds of smartphone.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.